These are Garbage Pail Kids. Here are a couple of my favorite cards. Adam Bomb, Dale Snail, and Roy Bot. I hope I get Hot Scott. My favorite, Dead Tate. My favorite, Stevie.
Corporate media live!
Look, there's one for each of us.
Can somebody help me?
Brand new action figures.
Oh my god. Package. And you have to open it up? Oh my gosh. It's...
What do you want?
Which one did you get?
I got part 2.
What do you want? What do you want?
This is so cool. What is this? Oh, I got the vampire one!
Drop the Robin, oh, they call me Dracula. Big old bad Dracula, big bad Dracula. Neck biting, igniting that blood lightning. Garlic daylight steaks, frightening.
Slap you in the face. Where's it coming from? Don't know. Boom, there's another one. I'm invisible to your eyes. Slap. Surprise!
I got
The spinner!
I got Leaky Lindsay. It's cool and it has like boogers. No other toy has all of these boogers on it. You know?
That looks so cool. And look at that one. Hello, I see you from. I know what you're thinking.
That's so funny that I got the only girl.
Why is it staring at me creepy? I want this one. This one. Look it. I want this one, and this one. Yeah.